Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between preferred dividend and common dividend. Number 1. Preferred dividend is a fixed or stated dividend paid on preferred shares, whereas common dividend is a dividend paid on common shares. Number 2. Preferred dividend is linked to preferred stock, whereas common dividend is linked to common stock. Number 3. Preferred dividend is paid before common dividends, whereas common dividend is paid only after preferred dividend obligations are met. Number 4. Preferred dividend usually has a fixed rate or fixed amount, whereas common dividend is usually variable and not fixed. Number 5. Preferred dividend is generally more stable and predictable, whereas common dividend is less stable and depends more on company results. Number 6. Preferred dividend often gives the board less flexibility once the policy is set, whereas common dividend is highly discretionary for management. Number 7. Preferred dividend may be cumulative on many issues, whereas common dividend is usually non-cumulative. Number 8. In preferred dividend, unpaid amounts may accrue in some cases, whereas in common dividend, missed dividends usually do not accrue. Number 9. Preferred dividend participation in profits is limited to the stated dividend, whereas common dividend can rise when company profits grow. Number 10. Preferred dividend usually has lower dividend growth potential, whereas common dividend has higher dividend growth potential. Number 11. Preferred dividend mainly supports income stability, whereas common dividend supports income plus long-term growth. Number 12. Preferred dividend has lower income uncertainty, whereas common dividend has higher uncertainty but also more upside. Number 13. Preferred dividend is often tied to shares with limited voting rights, whereas common dividend is tied to shares with voting rights. Number 14. Preferred dividend is best for conservative, income-focused investors, whereas common dividend is better for growth-oriented and long-term investors. Number 15. Preferred dividend mainly prioritizes reliable income, whereas common dividend mainly prioritizes growing returns over time. So, the quick takeaway is that preferred dividends focus on payment priority and stable income, whereas common dividends focus on flexibility and growth potential. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.